Okay, this is the 100% wire free camera. I bought it from from Amazon. Conico brand, I guess. Says 100% wire free. I'm just doing the open box. Also says SD rechargeable, has PIR, night vision, water resistant, IP65 graded. If you want to look around the box. Thank you card. If you're unhappy, I guess you can email them for support. User manual, and this is the camera. Let's see what we have here. Some screws, adhesive, 3M adhesive. This is, I think, the magnetic ball. USB cable. And the mount. This is the mount with screws. So not sure how we can use this one. Right here. So magnetic socket. To use this, you have to connect to Wi-Fi. Then you can download their app from App Store and Google Play, and you can start using. So this is it. I'm just doing the open box. I don't think I can even turn on the camera. So I don't know how battery works. Let's see what's there. Yeah, we can turn on the camera, but I won't be able to show you. There is micro SD card slot, and the charging port and power button is right here. Oops, sorry. So I guess press and hold. As you can see, there is red light flashing. Alright. Yeah, I will probably do the connecting, and when I connect the camera I'll probably do the video, but for now this is all. And I guess you actually have to physically take the camera out and charge it if you want to recharge it. There is no way, I don't think there is a way to take the battery out. So alright, thank you for watching the video.